Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where passion meets performance. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Nissan GT-R, and trust us, this isn't just a refresh, it's a rebirth. The GT-R, affectionately known as Godzilla, has long been a symbol of raw power, precision engineering, and Japanese automotive pride. Since its debut over 5 decades ago, each iteration of the GT-R has redefined what it means to blend speed, technology, and street dominance. And now, in 2026, Nissan has taken things to a whole new level. Let's start with the most obvious change: the design. The 2026 GT-R sports a sleeker, more aggressive silhouette. Aerodynamics take center stage, with an active rear diffuser, redesigned front fascia, and carbon fiber body panels that help shed weight without compromising strength. The signature quad taillights are back, but they've been reimagined with a futuristic touch, giving the rear end a more menacing presence on the road track. Under the hood, Nissan continues its legacy of turbocharged excellence. The twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 has been re-engineered, producing a jaw-dropping 620 horsepower and 600 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with a revised dual-clutch 7-speed transmission and Nissan's legendary ATS all-wheel drive system, the 2026 GT-R rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2.9 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed, it's about total control. Chassis refinements, adaptive suspension, and active-to-work vectoring all contribute to a GT-R that feels sharper, more balanced, and more alive than ever before. Whether you're carving canyon roads or taking on the now 1/4 Nürburgring, this machine speaks fluently in the language of grip and precision. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that finally matches the GT-R's price tag. Nissan has upgraded the interior with premium materials, a new digital cockpit, and a driver-focused layout that screams performance luxury. There's also a customizable OLED display, haptic feedback controls, and enhanced connectivity, making it feel more like a spaceship than a sports car. But Nissan didn't stop at performance and aesthetics. The 2026 GT-R includes semi-autonomous driving features for when you're not tearing up the tarmac. Adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, and eye-assisted braking are integrated seamlessly, giving drivers peace of mind during everyday drives. Of course, purists might ask, has the GT-R gone soft? Has all this tech watered down the rawness we fell in love with? The answer is number. The soul of the GT-R is very much alive. The roar of the exhaust, the G-forces in the corners, and the sense that you're piloting something bred for the track, it's all still there, just refined and elevated. So whether you're a longtime GT-R fan or new to the legend, the 2026 model isn't just another chapter. It's a new era, one that respects the past while charging full speed into the future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 GT-R, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because here on Rolling Legends, the road never ends.